10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Isa po sa mga ipinagmamalaking education project of continuous improvement ng Tanyong Integrated School ay ang Reading Intervention Program entitled Read With Me Face to Face. The main objective of this program is to eliminate the non-readers and lessen the number of frustration readers and grade 3 readers at the end of school year. The objective was realized because at the end of school year, nawala na po yung readers namin at nabawasan po ang frustration readers namin. Bakit po nangyari yun? During the implementation process, mahirap po. We encountered problems. But because with the help of our school head, the reader teachers of grade 3, the cooperative parents of those struggling readers were able to overcome the struggles and we came up with the positive results.
In validating the materials or tools used in this project, we, the master teachers of Tanyong Integrated School, carefully, cooperatively, and continuously tested, assessed, and evaluated thoroughly each material being implemented, taking into consideration the individual differences of each beneficiary. We made it clear to the teachers concerned that recipients should be given the type of level in reading that they need. Nevertheless, we wanted to achieve development in their reading skill as they progress in this program. The validation yielded a resounding result, thus recommending the use in every activity of the school or program involving reading, not only in giving remedial for struggling readers, but also to summer reading camps and the likes. And now, face-to-face, our application project is under our continuous improvement program. Thank you.
Noong una po, sobrang nahihirapan po ako sa mga aralin namin at dami ko po pong salita na hindi mabasa. Ngayon po, na nakasama po ako sa reading program na to, bumilis na po ang aming pagbabasa. Natutuwa po si Mama po, tumaas po ang grades ko at nakasama pa po ako sa top.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Read With Me face-to-face ng Tanyong Integrated School. 1 hour every day na pagtsatsaga na binibigay nila sa aming mga anak. Dahil doon, natutuwa ako dahil bukod sa bumilis magbasa yung anak ko, naiintindihan niya na yung mga words na nababasa niya. At dahil doon, tumaas din yung grades niya at napasama pa siya sa top. Kaya maraming salamat po sa Tanyong Integrated School at sa mga teachers.
The Read With Me Face-to-Face CI project is one of the best practices of Tanyong Integrated School, our school. It is because in this project, we were able to determine the root cause of the problem. Bakit nga ba maraming bata ang nahihirapang magbasa? Ano yung mga factors na makaka-affect sa kanila? So with that, we were able to make a plan of action. So yan, andyan yung naghanap kami ng materials na pwedeng gamitin and in-arrange namin according to the reading level of the pupils. Kasi yung ibang reading materials, hindi naaangkot. Kaya nahihirapan din yung batang bumasa. So kailangan, ibabatay namin, ipapantay namin doon sa level ng bata. So nung initial run, we were able to meet naman the expected outcome, 85% and above. We only have one non-reader left for the school year 2017-2018. So, since napaka-successful niya, we decided to adopt it for the second round. So, in this school year 2017-2018, ganun pa rin ka-effective yung output na kita namin. So, for this coming school year, we decided to continue running the program.